Most freelancers start with a free Gmail address. It works, it's familiar. So the question is simple. Is paying for Google Workspace actually worth it, or is it just unnecessary overhead? Google Workspace is Google's paid suite for businesses. For about $6 per user per month, you get a custom email domain. You also get Gmail, Drive, Docs, and Calendar. All of it is separated from your personal Google account. On paper, that sounds small. In practice, it changes more than most people expect. The biggest benefit is trust. An email like you@yourbusiness.com signals professionalism. Not because it's fancy, but because it shows you're established, reachable, and serious. For new clients, this quietly reduces hesitation. The second benefit is separation. Your client files, contracts, and invoices are no longer mixed with personal photos, subscriptions, or old emails. That separation matters more over time than people think. The downside is simple. It's another monthly subscription. There's also a bit of setup at the beginning. And functionally, Gmail itself doesn't feel very different from the free version. So if you're expecting new features or productivity magic, you won't find it here. Here's the real signal. Freelancers who rely on client trust almost always use a custom domain email. Not because Google Workspace is exciting, but because the cost is tiny compared to the downside of looking unprofessional. Losing one client costs more than a full year of Workspace. So, is Google Workspace worth your time? Yes, worth your time. Not for features, not for productivity hacks, but because it quietly increases trust and keeps your business assets cleanly separated. If you charge clients for real work, this is one of the simplest upgrades you can make.